In the world of modern real estate and the rental market, property managers and real estate professionals have a lot to handle. Without property management software, things can get pretty confusing. That's why I'm here. Today, I will break down two options, DoorLoop and Payprop, from features to reviews, so that you can make a good decision on which option is best for your business. Stick around till the end of the video for something special. Hey there, Galina here, a property management expert with DoorLoop. Just to let you know, I do work for DoorLoop, therefore my opinions may be biased. Payprop. Payprop is a type of property management software that specializes in all things payment and finance related. The key management usage revolves around transaction handling in and out and the reports and procedures that go along with it. Payprop features: accounting and payment service, tenant management, vacancy tracking, and managing expenses. Payprop pricing. Unfortunately, there is no exact information about average costs, since all quotes are provided individually and are customized to the client's company and requirements. Does Payprop offer anything free? Yes, there's a free demo and product tour for prospective clients to try before they buy. Payprop reviews. To help you decide if Payprop is a good fit for your property management team, here are some things users have said about the software. Martine says, "The time that it saves. Previously, I had to print bank statements off and reconcile payments against property management software. Now I just reconcile and send." Also, Shannon says, "I love being able to work from anywhere. This software gives the freedom to work remotely." There are also users that feel like things can be better. Simon says, "The variations to block management usage has been very difficult for us to adopt." Another thing he mentions is customer service miscommunication. Now that we have discussed Payprop, let's look into DoorLoop to see which option is best suited for your business. DoorLoop. DoorLoop is one of the top-rated property management solutions on the market, and for good reason. It covers all bases with a range of advanced tools and features that can be customized to make your life easier. It also offers plenty of tutorials, live customer service, and more. DoorLoop features. Some of the greatest features you can expect from DoorLoop include access to a comprehensive and straightforward tenant portal where they can communicate with you more efficiently, the ability to handle rent payments, fees, screenings, and more from the same place, an excellent maintenance management system that allows you to track any request you may have across your properties. A wide range of marketing tools allows you to list your vacant units easily. Access to great customer support, and much more. DoorLoop pricing. DoorLoop is a highly affordable platform at just $49 for up to 20 properties. DoorLoop reviews. DoorLoop users love the software. Here's what Jacqueline is saying. "What I like best about DoorLoop is that it saves me a lot of time collecting rent from tenants, and the billing is already automated and recurring. I also like that when I'm looking for tenant leases, they are uploaded in each tenant's file, and I can go to it anytime." Also, Daisy is saying, "The most helpful is timely support. The team is always quick to respond any day of the week. They are to the point and help me figure it out very quickly by using screenshots or by sending me articles to read." Yes, the articles are also straightforward to follow and give results. And if I'm still stuck, I can always return to the chat. I used to need to schedule a call, but now I can navigate with chat help. When I was first learning DL, I appreciated the onboarding calls, very helpful. Which option should you choose? After considering all the details, it seems that DoorLoop would be the ideal choice. With its comprehensive features, excellent customer service, and pricing, it's a perfect fit for anyone. Remember that something special I mentioned at the beginning of the video? Well, since you watched the whole video, you may just get a special discount. Schedule a free demo today to see what DoorLoop can do for you. Go to www.doorloop.com/go or click the link above. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content.